Reference mining, also called citation mining, helps you scan and evaluate the literature on a topic using the citations listed at the end of those scholarly articles. These authors have done a lot of the legwork in identifying relevant sources on the topic they're writing about. Mining this system of citations is one of the primary ways scholars navigate the literature. Reference mining and tools in some of the library's databases like OneSearch allow you to locate other relevant sources on your topic. This allows you to expand your pool of possible sources and can help you identify which of those sources are the more important ones within a field of study. Let's take a look at how to do this. For this first, most basic example, we'll use the EBSCO Academic Search Complete database. But the technique can be used in any context with scholarly articles, whether Google Scholar, other library or web search tools, or even with print materials. You begin by doing a search and going into the full text of a relatively recent article. Scroll to the references section of the article at the end and scan that list for other relevant sources. You can then copy-paste any title, go back to the OneSearch and try to access it. In this case, I found an article title, I typed it in, and it came up in the library. And I can then, in this case, click the Get It link to access it or request it through interlibrary loan. Now let's take a look at OneSearch specifically and the tools that allow you to mine references even more efficiently and effectively. Here's a set of search results. To the right of most scholarly peer-reviewed results, you'll see one or two red arrow icons. Notice, however, that the ebook shown in the second result does not have this option. This will be true for most non-journal article results. But looking back at article results, the down-pointing arrow is a quick way to view that article's bibliography and quickly access citations that are relevant within it. By clicking on that icon, I can view the listed references and quickly access them. Going back to the results page, by clicking on the up-pointing arrow icon, usually available for older articles or ones considered more important in the discipline, is a way to see what newer sources cite the original article. This is a way to go forward in time to see what newer literature exists on that topic. By clicking that icon, I can then see those newer sources. These citations are also one indicator that some articles may be more highly regarded in a discipline than others. Generally speaking, the more an article is cited by others, the more important it is. And that's everything you need to know to add reference mining to your research skills toolset.